Alright, I found that with the skid shoes, adjusting them, also you have to take into consideration the air pressure in the tires. It said a maximum of 15 psi, so I put 15 psi, checked both of them, and then instead of cardboard I found these two plastic, it came in a packaging of something that is about 1/8 of an inch. I think it'd be better for me, it's not as much give, you know, as opposed to cardboard, but you can definitely see, you know, it's 1/8 of an inch all the way across. It looks a little uneven just the way I have the snowblower sitting right now, but you can see daylight coming through there, and about the same on this side, and that should suffice. Best way to do this is put the item under the blade there, and then come around, loosen up the skid shoes, and then apply pressure down, push down on the shoe, maybe with your foot or something, make sure that that's flat against the ground, and then tighten it up in place, and then repeat on this side. And I'm going to add the oil and see if we can get it started.